Hello everyone. I welcome you all in class of mathematics of grade 8. Today we are going to learn one important concept of mathematics. So let's get started with PowerPoint presentation. What is there on the screen? Yes, it's square. If we want to find out perimeter of this square, how should we find out perimeter? Perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. As we know that all the sides of square are equal in length, let us consider S as side of square. So S plus S plus S plus S will be 4S. Here value of 4 will never get changed. It will be constant. So 4 is known as constant, and but value of S can get changed. So it is known as variable. If value of S is 2, perimeter will be 8. If value of S is 3, perimeter will be 12. So value of constant will never get changed, but value of variable gets changed. What is constant? Constant is fixed numerical value. And what is variable? Variable is symbol which takes various numerical value. And most of the time it is shown by small alphabet. When constant and variable are connected by fundamental operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, it forms algebraic expression. And yes, today we are going to learn about algebraic expressions in detail. First of all, let us have a look at its definition. A combination of constant and variable connected by the signs of fundamental operations. It is known as algebraic expressions. Examples are 4x minus 87y, 2x plus 9. Negative sign can also be there, and in first example, no sign is given, means it is positive. Let's have look at this basic algebraic expression. 4xy plus 2x plus 6y plus 18. Now let's split down this expression. 4xy, 2x, 6y and 18. These are known as terms of algebraic expression. Let's split it further. Let's split first term, that is 4xy. Second term 2x. Third term 6y. And last one 18. When we split terms, we'll get factors of that algebraic expression. But if we observe, factors cannot be alphabets. It can be a number and alphabets too. So when it is numerical value, it is known as numerical factor, and when it is alphabet, it is known as literal factors. Let's look at factors again. Now in first example, numerical factor is 4. In second one, numerical factor is 2. In third one, numerical factor is 6. Such numerical factors are known as coefficients, and definition is given there. The numerical factor of a term is called its coefficient or simply coefficient, numerical coefficient or coefficient. So coefficient is of the term. Now there is assignment for you. You have to recognize terms, factors and coefficients in given expression. Note this down and we are going to discuss its answer at the end. Terms, factors and coefficients. First of all, we'll split down the algebraic expression. Then we are going to split terms, and then the numerical value will be numerical coefficient we are going to find out. Numerical factor will be coefficient of given expression. or given term. Types of algebraic expression. There are different kinds of algebraic expression, and algebraic expressions are classified on the basis of number of terms in it. Let's look at the example. 4xy, 3b, 9pq, second one, third one. If we observe first box, there are, how many terms are there? How many terms are there? There is only one term, isn't it? 4xy is nothing but a single term. 3b is also a single term. 9pq, single term. In second box, 4xy and 2 terms. -7 plus m, as discussed earlier, it can be negative as well. -7 plus m, yes, 2 terms are there. In third box, 3 terms are there. 1 term, 2 terms, and 3 terms. 1 means mono. So, when there is one term in given algebraic expression, it is known as monomial. If there are 2 terms in algebraic expression, it is known as binomial. Bi means 2. And if there are 3 terms in given algebraic expression, it is known as trinomial. Tri means 3. Definition. Expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. Expression that contains 2 terms is called binomial. And expression containing 3 terms is a trinomial. And there is one general type of algebraic expression too. It is nothing but polynomial. Poly means many. An expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient and with variables having non-negative integers as exponents is called a polynomial. So, monomial, binomial, trinomial can also be called as polynomial too. And we are going to discuss this in the next session, that is with variables having non-negative integers as exponents. We are going to discuss this in the next session. But in this session, just keep in your mind that polynomial has one or more terms with non-zero coefficient. It can be 1, 2, 3 and so on, but not 0. Examples: a plus b plus c plus d. 4 terms are there. In second example, only one term is there. In third, 2 terms are there. Fourth, 3 terms are there. So polynomial can have one or more terms with non-zero coefficient. Now it's time to check your assignment. Terms: 7ab, 9a, 11b, 28 are the terms. If we split those terms further, we'll get factors, and obviously numerical factors are known as coefficients. Here 7, 9, 11, they are known as coefficients. So class, today in this way we have learned about different algebraic expressions and type of algebraic expressions. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Now let's stop for the day. Bye-bye class. Take care of yourself.